Here we see like how we can create a matrix by using R language. First, understand what the matrix is. Matrix is a two-dimensional rectangular data set. It can be created using a vector input to the matrix function. So the matrix is the inbuilt function in R language. So if you want to create any kind of matrix, uh, you can use that function as a matrix. So here we say, for example, we have considered m variable in which the matrix we are storing. So m is equal to matrix, which is a function in which we are storing a data. So that data we are uh, saving in the column vector format. So data we have considered A, B, C, B, and A. We have specified that there will be two rows, and by for specifying it, we can use the function n row, and in n col we can say like how many columns will be there. So three we have decided, and we can go ahead with the data like by row, whether it is true, either you can consider it as a true or false, and what has been stored in this particular variable m, we can print it by using the command that is print m. So output will get like a b and c b a, that is two column, two row, three column matrix has created. So if we write it false, you may try it by writing it as a false. You will get the data that it will not be stored in the row format. It will be like a, then b c, then a b c, then b a will be there in this data. Okay.